don't know who I'm affecting. They love you when you're there, cause you don't really know me. Why you tryna hold me? What you tryna show me? Just lay down on this bed, lost inside the game. Say fuck you to the fame, want shit to stay the same. It's fucking with my brain, can't go back in time. I hope that I'll be fine, just wait until this shit gets out of line, ayy.